Good morning.
Good
Hi.
morning.
So, the thing is, I still missed Houston.
You missed Houston. Yeah, so Aiden did a really generous thing. Aiden is amazing. Aiden had brought Houston along on this journey to
His best friend,
Houston, to hand off to
a little boy,
a young boy, yeah,
4 years old.
and 4 years old, so that Houston has a new friend that he can spend time with. So, yeah, really nice of Aiden to.
Yeah.
And then I just got dragging. So today we're off to Rivière-du-Loup from Ottawa. We're in Ottawa now, and it's about 6 hours of drive time, thereabouts. We're going to take the north shore of the St. Lawrence and go down Ottawa River in Montreal, and then north shore to Quebec City, cross over, and then head up to Rivière-du-Loup. So it's a bit of a wet, rainy day today, so hopefully we can catch some nice images. Well, Michelle will have to do her best to take some good stills, because I think the roads,
Despite the water drops on the window.
despite the water drops, better than watching windshield wiper movements.
Yes.
Anyway, so should be a good day,
Yep. Despite the rain.
despite the rain. Aiden, is it going to be a good day?
Yeah.
You got your tea,
No hot chocolate.
hot chocolate.
Yeah, they didn't have tea.
Didn't have tea. Anyways, all the best. We'll see you. We'll catch you up later. Bye.
Bye.
Hello.
Hello.
David.
Hi.
Hi. So we've arrived in Rivière-du-Loup.
In Quebec.
In Quebec, along the St. Lawrence. It's been a great day, a bit of a messy day. You would have seen a lot of wet in the first half, at least.
I would think so, yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, so yeah, definitely had an impact on our efficiency. Hard to tell, but exactly the impact, but certainly there was a lot of wind. And again, we've seen this before, but as heavy as this car is, you can feel it being buffeted by the winds coming at times directly from the north. And so anyways, so we've driven 7 hours, almost exactly 7 hours, and so that's been pretty good. What time did we leave this morning?
9 a.m.
Yeah, so it's been 9 to 6 p.m. that long. We've had 3 charge stops, all been really successful, all very convenient. Everything's worked out really well.
Yeah.
Covered 635 kilometers. Our energy consumption, because of that the wind and the wet, and it's also gotten colder. We started off in Ottawa probably at +9, and
Yeah.
then and it's just started dropping all the way. So we're now at +3 degrees Celsius. So it's been a bit cool, and it really does feel cold outside. So the energy consumption was 24.7 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers, which is not great, but I think because of those prevailing conditions. So anyways, that is what it is. So what's nice, and I really like this, is that we've arrived at our, nothing fancy, a nice motel. It's a motel, and importantly, it has a Saint-Hubert right beside it, and more importantly still, it actually has just a slow charger that we've backed up to. You can see it through the back window. Having just something as simple as that, a couple of those in a hotel
Makes all the difference in travel.
Yeah, I love that we had that in Thunder Bay, indoor garage.
Yeah.
So we're going to take advantage of that, and that means we can have a quick start in the morning, which is going to be great. Anything I've forgotten to?
No, I think you've touched all the bases.
Aiden?
Yeah.
Love you.
Love you too.
All right. See you tomorrow.